What is up, my buttery biscuits? Y'all, my lips look super busted. I've literally had this makeup on for, I want to say, maybe like 6 or 7 hours. So, like, my lips are bleeding and I'm really not trying to touch them up because I'm so hungry. I'm trying to eat. Within today's video, we're going to be talking about new makeup drops. Are they bops or flops? This is new to my channel. You guys know I've been doing it for a couple months now, but I really do like it because in this video, these are kind of things that I kind of like might buy, you know what I'm saying? But maybe I would buy it if I would change it, or maybe I would just buy it if I was rich, you know what I'm saying? Or maybe I just won't buy it. It's literally just makeup talk pretty much. So that's what today's video is going to be. If you guys are interested in that, go ahead and keep on watching. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Y'all, I'm being way more active on TikTok and on Instagram Reels, so make sure you guys follow me on there because I'm trying to upload there maybe like 4 to 5 times a week. That'll probably only last maybe like a month, but I'm going to try my hardest, okay? So make sure you guys follow me over there. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, y'all. So the first product that we're going to be talking about is the brand new Cherry Blossom Setting Powder from Huda Beauty. Y'all know that I absolutely love Huda Beauty setting powder, like literally love them. Recently, I just got the cupcake one. I started using it underneath my eye. For the rest of my face, I use the pound cake one. I thought that was going to have like a little bit of pinkiness to it to like brighten a little bit more, but I don't notice too much of a difference. I still absolutely love it. The formulation of her setting powders is probably one of the best that I've ever tried. Honestly, y'all know like Laura Mercier's setting powder used to be my #1 jam, but then Huda Beauty came out and I'm like, oh, I love it so much, like so much. So this one right here is meant to be a little bit more pink than the cupcake one. So I will definitely be getting this, but I will be waiting until it comes out to Namies. Y'all know I always rave about Namies. They carry Huda Beauty on there, or not on there, but they carry it in store and online. And I do get like 40% off of it. So I literally buy all my Huda Beauty products from there because they come out so affordable. So this retails for $34, but I want to say like with my discount, I get it for like $20. Like it's a really good deal. I always recommend if you guys like have any type of makeup credentials, or even if you have a cosmetology license too, I think that is a less discount, but sign up at Namies, y'all, because that is the spot, because they be giving like 30 to 40% off on a lot of brands, and Huda Beauty is on there. And I can't wait to try this. I'm definitely going to get this because I do feel like the older I get, I am getting a little bit more darkness underneath my eye right here. So I want to use something that's going to be a little bit brightening, but not like too brightening. You know what I'm saying? So this I will definitely be getting. And next up on the list right here, I definitely will be getting this too. This is like, y'all, these are products for sure I will definitely be getting, because normally in this video I'll be like, oh, you know what? I'll buy these products like if I had like $1,000 for a gift card. No, I'm going to get these, y'all. These are the Givenchy Rose Perfect Liquids Lips. They're kind of like a balm though. So this is what it says right here on Trend Mood. A marble liquid balm with skincare ingredients for smooth, shiny, plump lips in 6 shades. Y'all, these look so absolutely beautiful to me. And on top of that too, the swatches of them look so bomb. Y'all know that I love to wear the nude sticks like lip oil. I literally wear that in like every single one of my commentary videos. Literally love that, right? Well, one of these looks just like it, so I'm super intrigued to try it. I do have a feeling that these are going to be a little bit pricey. There's no price listed on here as of yet, but I want to say I think that they're probably going to be like 28 to like $34, like in between that range, because it's Givenchy. I don't know. These just look so absolutely beautiful to me. And especially that like rosy colored one at the end, the second to last one. Oh, I think I'm going to be getting that one. I may even get two. I don't know why. I just love like lip balms that add a little bit of a tint. You know what I'm saying? Even though these are like super expensive. I've never actually tried a Givenchy product, so maybe this will be my first one. But yeah, I'm like 99.9% sure I'm going to be picking up at least one of these because it just looks so beautiful. Next up on the list, we have the new Huda Beauty Cheeky Tints, y'all. This is probably going to trip you guys out, but I think I am going to be also picking up one of these. This is like turning into a haul list right here of things that I'm planning on buying. This one I know is probably a shocker because literally for years on my channel, I've always told you guys how much I really just don't like cream or liquid blushes because they don't work for my skin texture with my broken capillaries. Y'all know, like when I used to freelance or work at MAC, I absolutely loved cream or liquid blushes on like my clients. However, just on myself, I couldn't do it because of my broken capillaries. You guys know that this certain part of my face, it just, oh my gosh, it gets disrupted so easily. It gets patchy, separated. If I use a cream highlight on top of it, it just peels off. If I use a cream blush, it peels off. However, I just got my first IPL. I did read though, and I did talk to the lady that was doing mine. I don't know if she's considered like a nurse practitioner or whatnot. I don't know what she is, but she did say that I'll see the most results after the third one. So I'm waiting to see how it will be because I can't wait to try liquid and cream blushes, y'all, as soon as this gets fixed. Honestly, for my first one, I did film a video video about it. I will be posting it as a YouTube short pretty soon. I didn't really notice too much difference on my redness, but it 100% helped with like my I was gonna say age spots, but they're called sunspots. But you know, you get them when you're old too, so I guess it's age spots. I don't really know the difference, but anyways, y'all, I'm super excited because I am definitely going to be trying out some liquid and cream blushes, and these may be the first ones that I pick up only because I get that really good discount at Namie. So I'm excited to see, but I don't know if I'll probably wait to get it as soon as my skin is like getting better, you know, with those broken capillaries, because it just looks so bad. But yeah, I'm actually really excited for these too, especially because I really do enjoy Huda Beauty products. Next up on the list is actually something that I would definitely have purchased if it was here in America, but this is Asia only. So this is the MAC Cosmetics like duo right here, y'all. And the reason why I'm saying I would get it is because when I first started at MAC, I used to use Omega as a contour. I was a lot more fair skinned. Well, I wasn't really more fair skinned then. I just used to like wear like an NW20 foundation. I don't know why, y'all, like during that time I was kind of like going through a little bit of a goth phase, so I like to look really, really pale. So I would like put on way lighter foundation than what I really was. So I used to use Omega to contour, especially because it has a gray undertone to it. So I thought it was really cool that they're coming out with this in a duo that has a beautiful highlighter as well as a jumbo sized Omega. So I really, really do like this. However, it is open to the Asian market only, so all of Asia gets this but not us. I mean, yes, I could probably like purchase it online, but y'all, oh my gosh, there was another product from MAC before that was open only to the Asian market, and y'all, it literally, I want to say like resold on eBay for like $100 over what the cost was, and I was like, I am not going to be spending all that, but I do think that this looks beautiful. If you guys are in Asia, if you guys like a little bit more of a cool tone like contour, Omega is a really, really good one. I like that they're actually putting it into a contour, you know what I'm saying? And on top of that too, the highlight looks beautiful. So y'all, I'm kind of surprised that I would be into a MAC product low-key, because it's really been so long since MAC has like made me excited, you know what I'm saying? But this, as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is something that I definitely would get. But I'm just not going to be paying that hike up on price. Like, I just know how it is over there. Like, no. And here we have the new all-nighter spray with vitamin C. So this is supposed to be a vegan makeup setting spray powered with vitamin C that hydrates your skin and locks in your makeup for up to 16 hours. I'm really actually surprised that Urban Decay waited so long to come out with a new all-nighter type of spray, because the all-nighter was so successful and then they just kind of like dwindled out. But as a brand as a whole, don't you guys kind of feel that Urban Decay has really went down? Like, I don't see anybody talking about Urban Decay. I feel like a lot of their collections are very lackluster, and back in the day, I'm telling you guys, literally Makeup Forever and Urban Decay were MAC's #1 competitors, but now I just feel like they're not really talked about. But low-key, neither is MAC, so I'm not saying like MAC is like talked about more, because MAC obviously is losing their flame too. But Urban Decay, I just feel like I don't see anybody talking about them. I don't see anybody raving about any products, anybody excited about new launches. This to me right here, this is something like, maybe if it was on sale, maybe if it was like part of Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty, I would purchase it, you know what I'm saying? Just to give it a try, because y'all know I do love a setting spray, which sometimes I feel like it's so wasteful, because 9 times out of 10, I really don't even notice that much of a difference as far as like keeping my makeup on longer. But I will say, because I do wear a lot of powder products, it does kind of bring my skin back to life a little bit more. But as far as keeping my makeup on longer, I don't ever really see a difference. But yeah, this is something that I may buy if it was on sale, but not for $33. I wouldn't go out of my way to purchase this, you know. But like I said, if it was ever on sale, maybe I will give this a go, because I really did like the all-nighter spray before. But dang, I haven't used that in like 5 years, so I don't even remember exactly how it worked. I don't know about this. What do you guys feel about this? Like, do you guys feel like this is kind of like Urban Decay's like jump here to get a little bit more attention, because obviously the all-nighter was so successful, so now they're coming out with, you know, something all-nighter, you know what I'm saying? It kind of reminds me of Tarte Shape Tape. You know how like Shape Tape was so like just completely out of this. We're probably like the #1 consoled what probably the #1 most sold concealer. But as soon as they came out and they saw like the popularity of the Shape Tape, they started coming out with like Shape Tape Glow On and a Shape Tape foundation, and then a different Shape Tape foundation. They just Shape Tape everything, you know what I'm saying? So I wonder if they're going to be doing like all-nighter type of things to like, I don't know, bring back a little bit of like talk to the brand. I don't really know, but yeah, this is kind of like a product to me. Next up on the list right here, we have a skincare product, which is by Tatcha. Y'all know that I love Tatcha skincare. I hate paying the price, but for some reason my skin absolutely loves Tatcha, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, the like serum, the indigo serum, my skin loves that. The dewy skin cream, the water cream. I just love Tatcha products, y'all. Deep cleanse is like literally my favorite cleanser. So this right here is a clarifying clay mask. So it says exfoliating pore treatment. So this is what it says right here in the Trend Mood description. Let me just go ahead and tell you guys right off the bat though that this is $70. Like, I just cannot with their pricing. Like, their products are absolutely amazing. But oh my gosh, that price point. So this is what it says right here. A 3-minute clay mask combines the clarifying and oil-absorbing properties of Okinawa Kucha clay with 3 other potent ingredients from Japan: exfoliating konjac, soothing white locat leaf, and warming volcanic ash. Creates a warming sensation on the skin to open pores and purify, gently exfoliates away dead skin, reducing pore congestion, absorbing excess oil, sebum, and dirt from the pores. Helps protect your skin's naturally occurring moisture magnet. Hyaluronic acid, $70, y'all. I just can't get over the pricing, but I just really feel like this is probably a product that I would actually really like to try. But I just don't know, y'all. Maybe I'll pick it up for like the Sephora 20% off sale, but I definitely wouldn't pay $70 for it because I love their moisturizers and I love their cleansers. But a clay mask is something that I don't really gravitate to, but maybe I would pick it up if it was on sale. You know what I'm saying? But $70, like, come on, Tatcha. Can y'all like lower your prices? I know you're a luxury brand, but for the broke girls out there like me, y'all, I really do love Tatcha, but it really does break the bank purchasing their products. Like, I absolutely love them, but come down on the price. All right, y'all. The last product on the list right here is, oh my gosh, so expensive. This is the new foundation from Clé de Peau, y'all. This retails for $130. When I tell you guys I've always wanted to try a Clé de Peau product, y'all, I'm talking about literally for like 14 years now. I've wanted to try a Clé de Peau product, but I just never had it in me to pay that price. I literally said over here about Charlotte Tilbury, I'm like, oh my gosh, y'all, her foundation's like $50. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's expensive to me. I'm used to getting a discount or like cheaper foundations. You know what I'm saying? So seeing this for $130, y'all, this right here is the Radiant Cream Foundation SPF 25. The reason why I say I've always wanted to try Clé de Peau is because when I first started doing makeup, everyone and their mom used to talk about Clé de Peau. I feel like a lot of celebrities and like just a lot of rich people used it, kind of like La Mer, you know what I'm saying? And I've always wanted to try one of their products just to really see if it's worth that price point. But then the older that I got, the more I'm just kind of like, okay, like, no, like, drugstore foundations are getting so good these days that I'm sure it's not justifiable to purchase a $130 foundation. Like, it's just crazy to me. But I will say though, I would love to do a review about it if Clé de Peau ever sent me something, you know what I'm saying? Or maybe if somebody gifted it to me, you know what I'm saying? But like, me going out of my way and spending $130 on a foundation, it's just not gonna happen. Like, it's just not. Like, I'm so intrigued to know how the product is. If you guys pick up this foundation, please let me know in the comment section how you like it, and is it really worth $130? Because, oh my gosh, I would actually really like to see like somebody like, you know, say that it's justifiable to spend $130 on a foundation. Because, y'all, I'm telling you, $50 on a foundation, to me, I'm like, oh, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, y'all, so that is it for my makeup drops. Are they bops or flops? Low-key, I'm probably going to be purchasing like half of the list this month. Like, there's just a lot of products that I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm really intrigued to try, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys let me know what you guys think about everything, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.